Starting a tree nursery business in Kenya is one of the best agribusiness opportunities for anyone who wants to earn income while protecting the environment. The demand for quality tree seedlings continues to grow because more farmers are planting fruit trees, schools are taking part in tree planting activities, companies are supporting environmental conservation, and the government is encouraging tree growing across the country. Kenya's national goal of increasing tree cover has also created a strong market for millions of seedlings every year. This means that a well-managed tree nursery can become a reliable source of income for both small-scale and large-scale entrepreneurs. One of the biggest advantages of this business is that it does not require a large piece of land. A small nursery can begin in a backyard, on part of a farm, or on a rented plot with enough water. As the business grows, the nursery can be expanded to produce more seedlings. Many successful nursery owners started with only a few hundred seedlings before increasing production to thousands every season. Before investing your money, carry out market research in your area. Find out which tree species people are buying most often. In many parts of Kenya, fruit tree seedlings such as avocado, mango, citrus, macadamia, and passion fruit are in high demand because farmers are looking for crops that can increase their income. Timber trees like grevillea, cypress, and eucalyptus are also popular among farmers who want wood for construction and fuel. Indigenous trees are increasingly sought after for environmental restoration projects, while ornamental trees and flowers are purchased by hotels, schools, real estate developers, churches, and homeowners for landscaping. The location of your nursery plays a major role in its success. Choose a place with reliable access to clean water because seedlings require regular watering. The site should have fertile soil, proper drainage, and easy road access so customers can reach your nursery without difficulty. It is also important to protect the nursery from strong winds, livestock, and theft by putting up a simple fence. A nursery located near farming communities or busy roads often attracts more customers than one in a remote area. After selecting the location, prepare the nursery. Young seedlings need protection from direct sunlight, especially during their early growth stages. You can build a simple shade structure using wooden poles, grass, shade netting, or locally available materials. Prepare seed beds or use seed trays for germination before transferring seedlings into nursery bags. Keep the nursery clean by removing weeds and ensuring water does not collect around the seedlings, as standing water can encourage diseases. The next step is obtaining quality planting materials. The quality of your seedlings will determine whether customers return or recommend your business to others. Buy seeds, rootstocks, or scions from trusted suppliers and certified sources whenever possible. Avoid collecting seeds from unhealthy or unknown trees because poor planting material often leads to weak seedlings with low survival rates. Healthy seedlings build your reputation and help your business grow through customer referrals. Different trees require different propagation methods. Some species are grown directly from seeds, while others are propagated through grafting, budding, or cuttings. Fruit trees such as avocado, mango, and citrus are commonly grafted because grafted seedlings produce fruits earlier and maintain the qualities of the parent tree. Learning proper propagation techniques will improve the quality of your products and allow you to sell premium seedlings at better prices. Good nursery management is essential every day. Water the seedlings regularly without overwatering them. Remove weeds as soon as they appear because weeds compete for nutrients and water. Inspect seedlings for pests and diseases and take action before the problem spreads. Prune damaged leaves and remove weak seedlings so that only healthy plants are sold. Keeping accurate records of planting dates, germination rates, expenses, and sales will also help you monitor the performance of your business. The amount of money required depends on the size of the nursery. A small nursery can often be started with between 30,000 Kenyan shillings and 100,000 Kenyan shillings. This budget may cover nursery bags, quality seeds, shade materials, watering equipment, soil preparation, and simple tools such as watering cans, wheelbarrows, and pruning knives. If you already own land and have access to water, your starting costs may be lower. As profits increase, you can invest in irrigation systems, water storage tanks, greenhouses, and additional seedling varieties. Pricing your seedlings correctly is important. The selling price depends on the tree species, age, size, and production method. Ordinary forestry seedlings often sell at lower prices than grafted fruit tree seedlings because grafting requires more skill and time. Research the prices charged by other nurseries in your area and ensure your prices remain competitive while still allowing you to make a reasonable profit. Customers are often willing to pay more for healthy, certified seedlings with high survival rates. Marketing should begin long before your seedlings are ready for sale. Tell local farmers about your nursery, distribute simple posters, and use social media platforms to display photos of your seedlings. Join farmer groups, agricultural exhibitions, and local markets where potential buyers gather. You can also build relationships with schools, churches, county governments, non-governmental organizations, landscaping companies, and environmental groups that regularly purchase large quantities of seedlings. Providing good customer service, honest advice, and healthy seedlings encourages repeat business and positive recommendations. As your business grows, consider offering additional services. You can provide tree planting services, farm visits, landscaping advice, pruning, orchard establishment, and training on tree management. These services generate extra income while strengthening relationships with customers. Selling organic manure, compost, watering equipment, and garden tools can also increase your earnings without requiring much additional investment. Registration and compliance are becoming increasingly important for commercial nursery operators. Kenya has strengthened efforts to improve the quality of planting materials, and tree nursery registration and certification are handled through the Kenya Forestry Research Institute using its official digital registration system. Commercial operators should also ensure they comply with any applicable agricultural and plant health requirements before supplying large institutions or government projects. Proper registration increases customer confidence and can open opportunities to participate in large contracts. Like every business, tree nurseries also face challenges. Water shortages during dry seasons can slow seedling growth. Poor quality seeds may reduce germination rates. Pests, diseases, and extreme weather can damage young plants. Competition from other nurseries may also affect sales. However, these challenges can be reduced through careful planning, proper irrigation, quality planting materials, good nursery hygiene, and continuous learning. The future of tree nursery businesses in Kenya looks promising. Demand for fruit trees continues to rise as more farmers invest in commercial farming. Environmental conservation projects, carbon restoration programs, urban landscaping, and timber farming are also increasing the need for quality seedlings. Entrepreneurs who focus on producing healthy, well-managed seedlings and providing excellent customer service are likely to enjoy steady business growth for many years. Starting a tree nursery business is more than just selling seedlings. It is a business that supports farmers, creates employment, restores degraded land, improves food production, and contributes to a greener Kenya. With careful planning, patience, commitment, and proper management, even a small nursery can grow into a successful enterprise that generates a stable income while making a positive impact on the environment and future generations.